Oh, hello there. Would you like to be one of my little helpers? How well do you know the engines on Sodor? Let's play Who's That Engine? If I give you some clues, can you tell me who this is? This engine is very strong. It has 8 red driving wheels. This large tender engine is painted black and has bright gold bands around its boiler. It has a big gold lamp so it can see in the dark, and has a deep whistle which sounds like this. This engine wears the number 51 on his tender and is also known as Master of the Railway. So, who's that engine? That's right, it's Hiro. Well done. I think you deserve my little helper's certificate. I remember when Hiro helped Henry learn a very important lesson. Hiro and Henry were delivering a heavy load to the docks when they noticed that their smoke was very black. Henry was worried. He didn't want to run on bad coal, so he went back to the sheds. Strong Hiro puffed on alone and managed to deliver the cargo all by himself. Then I gave Hiro another urgent job, but he needed to ask Henry to help. The 2 engines set off, still puffing black smoke. But on the way, Hiro broke down. Henry realized that, like Hiro, he too could keep on puffing. So, Henry pushed Hiro and the heavy flatbeds to the docks all by himself. Hiro's hard-working attitude had taught Henry not to give up, but to keep on puffing. And that's why Hiro is a really useful engine. And you are a really useful little helper.